understand why you would sit on a pie. Yes! Woo! Okay, that could have been way faster, but I didn't really execute it that well. But it's a 4.90. Yeah! Wait, let's check out that. Oh. This is crazy. I just got a 4.90 that wasn't even that good. I only planned one pair, so yeah, I did that. I could have done an M move actually, but I did that. And then here, solve this pair, and then here, inswing this pair pairs up this pair. And then I could have actually canceled the moves with a YG in the middle, but yeah, oh well. Yeah, it's literally a Lucas Eder moment, guys.